Hi guys, today I will be making a Python project in Tynker, and I will be using the input command and making two different kinds of projects. So I press the create project button, Python, and a blank Python project. Now it's a bit weird, but it doesn't exactly make a blank Python project when you press blank Python project. It puts a project, but it has a bit of code in it. So the second thing I'm gonna do, the first thing in the project is I'm gonna delete all the code that they put us with, since I will not be using the Python turtle. Okay, so I changed the name. You can change the name to whatever you want, but I changed it to Python project input because it's all about the input command, what I'm making. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a variable called x and make it equal to input. Your name is, and because if you press stop, play, it'll show this. Your name is space, and then cursor-ish type thing, you could say. So you can type with the keyboard my name. I think I would use my name because you can use your name or not my name, or you can even put name like this because it's a bit easier. It makes a bit more sense than your name is or my name is. So we put it, and it just ends right there. It doesn't do anything with the name. So what we're going to do next is press print. Is the print doesn't literally print something out, it just types onto the screen. So I'm going to put print. Hello. Plus x. Plus the variable x. So it puts plus whatever you put your name is, plus x plus period. Now let's press stop, play, and see it. Let's try it. Done. That's it. You could do another one, like you could change this to name age equals not age. Like Boolean command. YouTube equals input. Do you have a YouTube channel? And then you can put yes or no after that. And we can put print let's put if, then open parentheses. So like this is an if command. If this is true, then do this. If this is not true, else this is not true, do this. Or instead of else, you could put elif, else if, elif. It's like a combination of the two words. Elif, do this. Elif, if elif this, then do this. Yeah, I guess you could say. So we're gonna do if YouTube is equal because equal like it compares the left and right. If the left and right are the same, but the one equal sign just adds this value is this value. It's not like a question. It's not a comparison. It is like direct. This is this. Not is this this. Let's put yes, actually. If I have a YouTube channel, I put this. Go. That colon is like everything after this. Like everything after this will be inside the if loop. I guess you can say, yeah. Print. You print you have a YouTube channel. Done. And if we press backspace and we go back to the same amount of indentation that the first if has, that will be out of the if loop. We put an elif there. YouTube equals no. Print. You have you don't have a YouTube channel. Or you could also put you do not have a YouTube channel if you want to be a bit more formal. Now we can press stop and play it again. You have a YouTube channel? Yes. Okay, now we messed up because right here we gotta fix it because we put X before. Now we changed it to name, so we're gonna have to fix it. Now I'm gonna move the camera right here, so I can press the X and close the console. So just name Oli.great. Your YouTube channel? Yes. Now I know that I messed up because I put lowercase y. Yes. What if somebody puts what's it called? Capital Y. Yes. Blanked out there. Let's see if this works. I haven't tried this yet, so yeah, let's read the console has to say. I didn't put okay, that doesn't work. Let's see. I think it's like this then. No, so wrong. I didn't put in line 4. How would that work then? Oh, okay. I guess we can just do just copy this and copy, enter, space. There we go. And then just put OIS. You have a YouTube channel like that, and then space again. There we go. YouTube, capital N. No. And then we can put else, and the colon right there, because there's no condition with else. It's just else. Anything else is this. If it's not no, it's not yes, then this happens. Enter print input. So we can play it and try it again. Name. Oli da. You have a YouTube channel? Yes. Hello, you right? You have a YouTube channel. That's it. It ends right there. that's all I'm going to do for this project. But now I'm going to make another project, a bit harder project, with the input command. Let's go back, and it will automatically be saved in my projects. You can close this. There we go, Python project input. I'm going to publish it right here. Done. Now I can create another project. Python, blank Python project. And it'll open up a new project, again, with the turtle. However, I'm going to do a little mixing up with the commands. Okay, so I think I'm going to change the I put an input right here. Input. No, not input. I mean, x equals input what shape? Turtle or arrow? Because I'm asking this question because the turtle can change into many different kinds of shapes. I'm just gonna use the turtle and arrow for now, though. So spiral dot shape. There we go. X. Turtle. It worked. It worked. Okay. I'm just gonna change it though, so it's gonna be a bit space here. It'll be easier to see. Shape to be a turtle or an arrow. Let's play. Say arrow this time. Let's then change to an arrow. It worked. Now, I am going to stop this and add maybe more, like turtle, arrow, or circle. Let's see if circle works. I think circle works, but I'm just gonna make sure. It works. Okay, now let's add more. Circle, square, or triangle. Okay, I'm not sure about square though, so I'm gonna check it. It works. Triangle. It works. Okay. Now maybe we could ask. We could change this instead of X. We could put shape. Change this. Remember, and unlike last time when I messed up, we're gonna put this shape instead of X. I could ask about the pen color. Do you want the color to E. What do you want the color to be actually? Yeah, that'll sound a bit. Color to. These are like infinite possibilities for color, not just a few, like for the shape. Like, turtle. Oops. Hey. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Oh, blue. You don't want it. Press blue. Color. Let's try that again. I pressed enter too many times. Red. That is not red. Oh. Oh, I put color in quotes, so it makes the color color. Okay, let's try that again. Red. Yay, now it's red. Line. I have a thing for line. It's a good color, especially with black. And the arrow kind of highlights that line. I really like it. Now I think that's all I'm going to do for this project, for today, and this project. But you guys can add as many more inputs as you want. You could even put like maybe I don't know, maybe spiral size. I don't know, spiral up pen size. I really don't know. There are infinite possibilities to what you can do. That is all I'm going to do for today. Have a good day, and bye!